This month's member-only giveaway is this beautiful Hot Wheels Elite64 Porsche 911 GT2 EVO 993. Yeah, that's a mouthful. Anyhow, look at this. This is just beautiful. Looks like a metal, maybe not. Yeah, metal body, metal base. The engine's so cool. And the suspension, the front suspension, all the detail on it. Man, this is nice. Crazy nice. It's a beautiful little casting. So that's this month's member giveaway. Okay, it's time to spin the wheel and see who the winner is of this month's member-only giveaway. The Hot Wheels Elite64 Porsche 911 EVO 993 in that beautiful Advan livery. So let's spin the wheel and see who gets it. Around it goes, and the winner is Black Eagle Diecast. Congratulations. I will get this out in the mail to you. I think I have your address. If not, I'll contact you.